Good afternoon, everybody. Edward Kelly, your bankruptcy attorney, here with another in our ongoing series, 3 Minutes to Financial Freedom. This video, we're going to talk about what are your options in bankruptcy for a consumer versus a small business. Okay, so first rule, a business can't get a discharge in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. So most of you are looking at that Chapter 7 liquidation. So you as a person can get a discharge. Your LLC cannot get a discharge. So what does that mean? And why would an LLC or a corporation or any business entity, small or not, ever do a 7? Well, so for you, you can discharge your personal liability. So if your LLC is wound up, has no assets, even if it has $500,000 in debt, all you're really worried about is your personal liability. That thing is wrapped up, no assets, nothing to take. You do the Chapter 7 on yourself, and then there's no transferring those debts over to your personal assets. Why would then a business do a Chapter 7? Well, you may want the trustee to manage your assets, and you may want an absolute, certain, definitive status of all debts have been disposed of. In this case, not discharged, but let's say you have a business and you have $50,000 in assets. You can file a Chapter 7, which for me at this point is going to be $1,500 start to finish, and you can have that trustee dispose of all those assets for you, rather than be sued and have to go to court 15 times from 15 different creditors trying to foreclose on your company's property or on vehicles owned by the company, etc. You can basically offer it all up. You're not going to get a discharge, but it's not going to matter because at the end of the case, there'll be no assets. And then again, you can look, if you have any personal liability, which you often do, you can also do a 7 for yourself. So these are the options for Chapter 7 bankruptcy for a consumer versus a small business. As always, if you have questions, you can reach me directly, edwardkellylaw@gmail.com. That's KELLEYLAW@gmail.com. Or call me at 580-478-3130. And I'll see you in the next video.